Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA C20 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. As you can see on the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter, and here we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, we can set the date, time and time zone manually. In order to do that, we have to turn off those network provided options, and as you can see right now, those three options are active, so we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar pick the date we want to use, just tap on the day and tap on OK, and as you can see, it immediately changes. The same situation with the time, the clock will appear and you will be able to pick the time you want to set, and after confirming it, it will be immediately changed on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here you've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So actually all you have to do here is to find the right one. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Under it, we've got the time format option, so you can use local default or decide manually if you want to use a 24-hour format. If you want to, you have to turn on this option, or if you want to use 12-hour format, just by turning off this feature. So actually, this is how to manually customize the date and time in your NOKIA C20. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers to use network provided time and time zone. So actually, this is it. This is how to customize the NOKIA, the time and the date in your NOKIA C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.